there, which means sound waves travel through it much faster, which makes my voice sound much higher. Now,
and my voice gets really low, although somehow I'm still funny. It's scientific!